Hello all, Mr. Callan here to do a quick Khan Academy reminder. We are a little past Monday, April 13th, in which you should be 30% through the pre-algebra course, 55% through the arithmetic course. I put that grade into the grade book just yesterday afternoon. And naturally, you should be 100% of the way through early math. This early math should have been done before spring break. And now we're going to be working on arithmetic until we get arithmetic done. Now, folks, I was looking at grades the other day, and it was not pretty, mainly because many of you are not taking care of your business. If I go to the grade book and I look at all the possible activities that have been put in, we've got some quizzes. We're going to find a way to take that probability quiz again somehow, some way. We got a quiz on volume that we just took last week. We're going to have a quiz on surface area soon. But there are plenty of Khan Academy grades coming at you guys. They are 10-point, almost like a math review quiz, and way too many people are getting 0 out of 10s. In fact, this is what it looked like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. And unfortunately, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6 people in this hour are beyond the 66%. So those people have 10 out of 10 for their first grade, but only 3 people that hour are at 100%. Which means all the rest of these folks are getting MIS missings or 0 out of 10s, which is significantly impacting your grade. Now, I could see if somebody said, but Mr. Callan, this stuff is so hard. Come on, folks. This is the early math course. It's kindergarten through second grade. It's going to take some time, but you can do it. It is not that difficult. Now, there are going to be some things that are going to give you pause. They're going to make you think, but that's why I'm asking you to do it. After the early math is done, then you'll be moving under arithmetic. That's going to get a little harder, but I only expect you to go up 15% a week. And again, you should already be at 55%, especially if you've been doing what you should have been doing with pre-algebra for the entire year. So, to show you quickly what my screen looks like, you'll notice I only have pre-algebra. That's because the others are beyond 90%. Apparently, once you get past 90%, they put it in the past course mastery page. You notice my early math is at 100. Arithmetic, I'm almost there. So when I click on that, as always, as soon as you get to a page, if you got a mastery challenge, whether you need to resume it or start it, just do it. 6 questions. 2 questions each from 3 different concepts, and you can level up. In this case, I've already taken a look. This is 3/4 of 3/5. Now, if you watch me as I look at the summary, it's going to show if I've stayed the same or if I've leveled up on these 3 different categories as soon as it rolls in. I'm not going to wait around for it. It would have showed you a nice pretty screen of what is improved and what is not. It won't give me another mastery challenge for about 12 hours, I think. So I'm just going to scroll down. Notice I have all my mastery points here. I have all the purple. I have all the purple there, there, and there. Oh, and here it says, up next for you, decimals. So I could press continue. I could press straight on decimals. Whatever the case, I've already got a lot of these decimals done. I could sit here and do things over again, but that's not going to use my time well. I could sit here and take quizzes, but if I take quizzes of stuff that I already have all the purple in, I can't level up there. So I'm going to just scroll down and scroll down and scroll. There's a missing crown, but I can only get the crowns taking unit tests or those mastery reviews. So that's, oh, here we go. Here's where I should be. Now, I got to tell you guys that I could sit here and do 4 questions here, and 4 here, and 4 here, and 4, 4, and 4, 4, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that was 8. 8 times 4, that's at least 32 questions. But remember, some of these aren't 4 questions. Some of these are 7 questions. So it could be as many as 56 questions, or I could simply take the quiz. And by taking the quiz, I can level up on all those things at once. It's going to take a little longer because it is 10 questions after all. But I'm going to leave that up to you guys. I personally want to get through questions faster. So I'm going to take the quiz and try to level up as quickly as possible. Now, once I get all that purple filled in, I'm going to be missing those crowns. So then I will take the unit test. Folks, we got a long way to go for the year. But don't tell me you can't get early math done. Kindergarten through second grade already should be 100%. Arithmetic course already should be 55. Pre-algebra already should be 30. The next 3 grades, will be more arithmetic grades. Next week should be 70% of the way through, 85% the following, and you should be done with both arithmetic and early math by the beginning of May. Then we'll be continuing our way through pre-algebra, and don't tell me we can't grow. It is time to grow. All right, ladies and gents, that's what I'm going to tell you. Take care, do well, put in that time. You got nothing but time. You got plenty of time. You got days off, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays. Put in the extra time. You know how to do it.